How to create a faceless YouTube channel using AI, ChatGPT, and in video. Welcome to this tutorial on how to create a faceless YouTube channel using AI technologies such as GPT-3 and in video. Today, we'll be looking at how to create engaging content without needing to show your face or even use your own voice. Firstly, let's talk about what a faceless YouTube channel is. Simply put, it's a channel where the creator's face is not shown in videos. This is perfect for those who want to remain anonymous or who aren't comfortable in front of the camera. Now, let's get started. The first tool we'll be using is GPT-3, an AI language model developed by OpenAI. This can generate human-like text and help in scripting your YouTube videos. To use GPT-3, you will need to sign up on the OpenAI website and access the API. Once you input your topic, the AI will generate a script for you. The key is to carefully edit and refine the script to match your tone and style. Next, we move to creating the video. This is where InVideo comes in. InVideo is an online video maker that lets you create professional videos in minutes. You simply need to sign up and choose the type of video you want to create. InVideo has a wide variety of templates to choose from. Select one that matches your script and the mood of your content. You can then customize the template with your own text, images, and even music. The next step is to add a voiceover to your video. You could record your own voice, but if you want to keep the faceless aspect, try using a text-to-speech software. There are many available online, some even powered by AI, that can turn your script into spoken words. Now, it's time to put everything together. Upload your script and voiceover onto InVideo. With its easy-to-use drag-and-drop feature, you can effortlessly arrange your content, add transitions, and fine-tune your video. Once you're happy with your video, it's time to export and upload it to YouTube. Remember to add a catchy title, an engaging description, and relevant tags to help your video reach its intended audience. Promoting your video is also crucial. Share it on your social media platforms and encourage your friends and followers to watch and share it. Consistency is key in building your YouTube channel, so make sure you're creating and uploading content regularly. Finally, don't forget to engage with your viewers. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and build a community around your channel. This will not only help you improve your content but also increase viewer loyalty. That concludes our tutorial on creating a faceless YouTube channel using AI. Remember, the most important part is to create content that you are passionate about and that provides value to your viewers. Continuing your journey as a faceless YouTuber. Remember that meaningful interaction with your audience is integral to building a successful channel. As a faceless YouTuber, your content's quality and uniqueness become your identity, driving viewer engagement and channel growth. Remember, consistency is key. Good luck and happy content creating. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks.